Okay. Good morning, everyone. So let's continue with next stage of queries, which is it will involve multi-tables. Okay, when you look at this design, if you remember, we have done on this design. So given in the design, there are three tables, which is student, lecturer, and program. And then given student name, student age, and then the blue color is the foreign key. Now, these are the queries, possible queries that we have produced, that we have done in our previous class. Now, let's say, move on into number 7. Okay. Show student, no, show who teach students. Okay, first query that we can produce. Number 8, show which program the student takes. Okay, okay, takes. Right, this is basically what you can produce looking at our design. Student takes. Okay, so show who teach students, who teach the students. Okay, who teach means that this is the lecturer, this is the student, two tables involved. Second question, show which program the student takes. So you will use two tables, program and student. Okay, let's look at the first one first. Teach student, who teach student. It means that, okay, let me change the color. Okay, green. Right, who teach student. So we obviously have to display student name, and we have to also display lecturer name, because question said that who teach the student. So we want to know who is the lecturer that teach that student. In this example, the data, this is student. No. Okay. So what you will have to do is, okay, what you will have to do mean you have to extract this field. You have to extract this field because you want to show. So let's do answer for number 7. Okay, so select. Okay, we want to see student name. So as name, comma, lecturer name. Okay, so let's look at this one. S underscore name and then L underscore name. Okay, and from, next stage is from. Okay, remember it is case insensitive. I purposely make it a small letter and big letter caps lock, so that you know there's no issue in putting caps lock or small letter. Okay, from. So S underscore name, student comes from table student. So just list whatever table that involve from what you extract. Okay, S name comes from student, comma, lecturer name comes from table lecturer. Okay, so just two table. And this query does not stop here. When you extract from more than one table, this is where you have to link PK equals to FK. That's why I have reminded you guys to really understand the relationship between PK and FK. Let's look at which is the PK and FK. All right. So between student and lecturer, so the blue color one, okay. So FK, lecturer ID. So you will pair this fella, blue. You will pair this PK with this FK. Notice lecturer ID, lecturer ID. So you will pair that one. That's why I said naming convention is important. All right. So you will add one more row, where clause, where. Okay, student, table student dot S underscore lecturer underscore ID, the FK, this one. Okay, S underscore lecturer underscore ID equals to, I put it down, from table lecturer, okay, dot the field lecturer ID. This is where you link the two tables. This is where you link the two tables. Okay. So notice that, sorry, notice that lecturer ID, lecturer ID. Then your result will be accurate. Okay, your result will be accurate. So what you will see then, okay, your output will be 2 columns because you extract 2 columns. Okay, the first column is S underscore name. Second column is L underscore name. Is it L underscore name? Second column is L underscore name. You have to follow whatever that you define in your design. Okay. And then what you will see data probably Avril, the student name, lecturer is Hazlina. Okay. Darren, for example, okay, the lecturer name is Hazlina, for example. Okay. Another field maybe Tawashin, sorry. Maybe the lecturer is Anis Sulaiman. Okay, so when you extract more than 2 tables, remember you have to link them. Even 3 tables, you go and look at which is the PK, which is the FK. Okay, so that is number 7. So let's say number 8, program. They want to show the student takes which program. Okay, right. So in this example, we are going to use let me choose other color, green. We want to show what program, so obviously you have to extract program name, and you want to show the student. Okay, that student takes which program. So obviously you will have to link PKFK. So we have this FK. Okay, we have this FK will be linked with this PK. Right, so let's do the query number 8. Okay, so select. We want to see student and program, obviously the name. So student name, comma, program name. What is the field for program name? P underscore name. Okay, P underscore name. So P underscore name. Okay, we just want to see that. And list from which table all of that are related. So from table student, comma, P name comes from table program, so program. It doesn't stop here because you have to link this table with this table, or else your data will be redundant. Okay, redundant. Right. So where, okay, let's look at the PK equals to FK. Okay, so if we will take P underscore ID here, okay, this one equals to SPID. So where student, start with table, which table? Student dot S underscore P underscore ID equals to table program dot P underscore ID. Let's check, correct or not? Okay, so PID is from program, S underscore PID from table student. Okay, so that's it. So let's see. Make sure you pair it correctly. So this is PID, this is PID. This is just the naming. Okay, that's why naming convention is important. So it means that this one S, you know, this one resides under table student. P resides under table program. Then what you will see, okay, 2 column because we only extract 2 columns. So the first column is S name, which is student name. Second column is P name, which is program name. So let's say Avril BIT, program name BIT. So let's say Darren BCS. This is what you will see. All right. So let's say we have combination of all 3. Okay. We want to show, okay, question number 9. Question number 9, show student with lecturer name which program the student takes. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, it means that it has to combine three tables. First, show students. So obviously you have to show student name, and then with who is the lecturer. Obviously you have to extract from table lecturer to get the lecturer name, and you have to show which program the student takes. You have to extract from table program for the field program name. Okay, so this is again PK equals to FK. No worries, as long as you understand, you can. Okay, so select, okay, student. So as name, student name. We want to alias it to be more meaningful. So as student name, for example, comma. We want to show who is the lecturer. So what is the lecturer name? I don't remember. So L underscore name. Okay. Comma L underscore name. Let's rename it as lecturer name. More meaningful. Comma, they want to see what program that students take. So what is the field? We will extract program name, yeah, P underscore name. Okay, to show that program name. So P underscore name, also rename it as program name. More meaningful. So program name. That's it. So no more comma. Next is show from which table. So list all table that involve in this query. So it involved table student. It involved table lecturer. It also involved table program. So list all table that involve, okay, program. Okay, it doesn't stop here. This is where condition comes in. Okay, so first you just need to link PKFK, PKFK. So you know that you have a link between student and lecturer using lecturer ID. Okay, where is it? Where is it? This program using this one as this part, yeah, this part, right? So you will put. It is okay not to put table name when the name of the field is different. So where. Well, I'll just put the table so that you can see. So where table dot s underscore lecturer underscore ID equals to lecturer dot, is it dot lecturer ID, LEC ID. Okay, the first one. It means that you link student and lecturer, but don't stop yet because we have another table program. So find where is the PK and FK that link any way of these three relationship. So connect them with another condition using AND. You can have many conditions. We have done that. So AND. Next, next is we link student and program. This one. Okay. So AND student table name dot s underscore program underscore ID. Is it correct? Okay. Equals to table program dot PID. Semicolon. So it means that this one, you complete link all of the tables. So no matter how many tables, if you need to extract, you have to link in any way. PKFK, PKFK, PKFK. All right. So in this example, let's check. So three tables involved. So first you link student lecturer ID with lecturer ID. So obviously this is the PK, this is the FK. All right. Next, you link program ID with program ID. Obviously, this is the PK, this is the FK. That's why the naming is important. S says that it resides in table student, but they are the foreign. Okay, this one P reside in table program means that this is the PK. right? Same goes to this one, as it resides in table student. And then this is the foreign person, and this is reside in the table student. So what you will see, remember we have 3 columns. So what you will see is 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. So the first column is we have renamed it as student name. What you will see, no more S underscore name, because you have alias it, so student name. Okay, because we have used this one. So second is no more lecturer name, L name, but instead lecturer name. Okay, because we have renamed it using the S. And then next is program name, because we have renamed it this one, program, instead of this one. So what data that you will see is, okay, Avril, Hazlina, okay, so Avril, BIT, okay. Next is Darren, Hazlina, for example, BCS, okay. Tawashin atau Tawashin, Anis, okay, the lecturer, Tawashin, BCS. Okay, clear? This is what you will see. All right, so we'll stop here. Okay, we'll stop here. This is what you need to know. And then, of course, you can add on order by just now if you want to sort. Okay, order by student name. Okay, S underscore name, for example. So this will be ordered. This is coincidentally already ordered by ADT. Ordered by. Right? If you want to ordered by, let's say, ordered by L name. Okay, what you will see in this display, you will see this row first, and then you will see second, this is number 1. Second row is this one. Why? Because Hazlina, they will look at this one, A first. Then this is row number 3. Okay? All right. That's all.